Okay, we have another number line question, and the instructions are to draw R as 5 meters away from T. So I don't know which one is to the left and which one is to the right. It could be either way. But then we're told that S is 2 away from R. Now I don't know if S is going to fall on the same side of R as T is, or on the opposite side of R, which would mean that R is in between them. Now it turns out that that really matters because the question is asking for the distance between S and T, and that distance would be 3 if S and T are on the same side of R, and it would be 7 if R is in between S and T. So we could rephrase this question and just ask, is R in between S and T, or isn't it? Because if we can answer that, then we'd be able to answer the original question. So let's have a look at that right after this. So it's worth noting here with these two statements that if we know statement 2, we can actually infer statement 1 on our own. In other words, statement 2 implies statement 1. And when you have that kind of situation, you can actually eliminate answer choices A and C. And I go into why that is in chapter 2 of my book, which you can actually read for free on quantreasoning.com. Now, each of these statements implies that R is in between S and T, and therefore each of these statements is sufficient on its own in this case, because if R is between S and T, we can tell for sure that the distance between S and T is 7. So correct answer is D. If you like this approach, be sure to check out my book. It's all in there. What do you want me to talk about in my next video? Type it down in the comments below and maybe I'll make a video just for you. Make sure you're subscribed and click that little bell icon below so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.